Hey guys, I'm here with the Stanley cross bottle, and it's basically a crossbody type of bag style bottle. It's 23 ounces, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It looks kind of like a canteen, and this one's in the cream color. All right. That is very hefty, a pretty cute style. We're going to be going on a trip to Disney here soon, and I wanted to test this out for the kids to see if they can take turns holding it instead of me having to lug it around in my bag. So it's got little holes here, and there's a strap inside. "12 hours, 2 days, BPA free, reusable straw, leak proof." Cool. All right. So there's the strap. Now I don't know how well this will do with dirt and all, but it does seem like you could wash it. Yeah, it's basically like a cotton strap. It's very thick and hefty, so I feel like it wouldn't be like digging into your shoulder, so that's nice. It doesn't really have padding though, but it is very thick. I'd say like almost 2 inches. And then these just clasp onto here. I feel like after you clasp these on, you still have a good amount of space, so you could like fit a carabiner even if you wanted to. All right. The opening is actually not as big as I thought it would be. So you'd have to like pour ice in a little bit carefully. Doesn't seem like it'd be a problem. My fingers do reach the end of the inside here, so if you wanted to like hand wash the edges of the inside there, you could with like a sponge. It's really thick, the insulation, so I definitely believe it when they say it can like hold ice for so long. All right, so this straw, okay, you can open this piece here. And this straw, oh, okay, comes out this way, but does not go in this way. It's got like a stopper here that stops it from going beyond that little spot right there. And you can just take it apart and wash it. This part, oh, I see. So a few questions that I had before I bought it was, can I use it without the straw? And the answer would be kind of, because there are these holes here, so you could kind of pour it into your mouth that way. And my other question was, is it spill proof? when you have it open like this other than the straw opening? And the answer is no. These 3 holes are actually holes. So if you held it upside down like this, then you would have water spilling out of these holes here, plus the straw hole. But they say that if you have water in it and you close the enclosure here and the top lid and you flip it around, it's not gonna spill, so it's spill proof that way. So that's pretty cool. Another feature that I noticed is that there's like a rubber piece here, so it has a little bit of protection against the sound of the tin just hitting surfaces to make like clinking sounds. So that's pretty nice. But yeah, it holds 23 ounces, and so that's a good amount of water or liquid. And I don't think you're supposed to put hot liquids in it, but definitely great for cold liquids. And it is definitely going to be great for hikes and longer trips with kids. And they, I think, would probably have fun taking turns holding it. So that was the idea, to try to encourage them to hold their own water without it being in their hands. And then they're, you know, if they fall, then their hands are not free. And then I don't have to lug it around in my bag either. But yeah, I just wanted to share with anyone who might be curious. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. And hope this helps anyone who might have wondered about this bottle. Thanks for watching, guys. If you hit that like and subscribe button, it helps me out a lot.